Hello, welcome to Proactive Health Domain channel. Today, we're cracking the shell on one of nature's most versatile and nutritious foods, eggs. From breakfast classics to gourmet delights, eggs have long been a staple in culinary creations. But beyond their culinary appeal, eggs also boast a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's dive in and uncover the egg-citing advantages of adding eggs to your daily diet, along with how many eggs you should aim to enjoy each day. Eggs aren't just a one-trick pony. They're a nutrient-rich superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. From vitamin D and vitamin E to iron, zinc, and selenium, eggs provide a diverse array of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Plus, they're budget-friendly and easy to incorporate into any meal. Here are the top benefits of eating eggs every day. 1. Protein powerhouse. First and foremost, eggs are a protein-packed powerhouse. With all 9 essential amino acids in one convenient package, eggs are considered the gold standard for high-quality protein. Whether you're building muscle, repairing tissues, or simply staying satiated, eggs are a nutritious and delicious way to meet your protein needs. 2. Brain-boosting nutrients. Eggs are also brimming with brain-boosting nutrients like choline and vitamin B12. Choline plays a crucial role in cognitive function, memory retention, and neurotransmitter synthesis, while vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and red blood cell production. Adding eggs to your diet can help keep your brain sharp and your mind agile. Heart-healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, eggs are not the dietary villains they were once thought to be. In fact, eggs are a rich source of heart-healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support cardiovascular health when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. 4. Eye-nourishing antioxidants. Don't overlook the incredible eye-nourishing benefits of eggs. Loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs can help protect your eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These powerful antioxidants work to filter out harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, keeping your vision clear and vibrant. 5. Satiety and weight management. Looking to curb cravings and stay satisfied throughout the day? Look no further than eggs. Thanks to their winning combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, eggs are a satiating powerhouse that can help keep hunger at bay and support weight management goals. Now that we've covered the excellent benefits of eggs, you might be wondering, how many eggs should I eat each day? Well, the answer may vary depending on your individual health goals and dietary preferences. In general, most health experts agree that consuming up to 2 to 3 eggs per day as part of a balanced diet is perfectly safe and beneficial for most people. In conclusion, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. So go ahead, crack open a few eggs and enjoy the egg-ceptional health benefits they have to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from these tips. Until next time, take care and continue to embrace wellness.